Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how you can integrate the payments in your WP WooCommerce. So to do that, come to WooCommerce, go to Settings. Under Settings, click Payments. Under Payments, scroll down. You can now see here the payments you have. You can install WooCommerce payments, like for this one, payment methods. You can install that one. You wait as it is installing. So after installing, then you finish the setup. Click Setup. So it's setting it up. So now here, Woo Payments now. So this is your email, so you can proceed. This is your password, you can proceed. So you can connect that and you approve. It will now authorize it. It's authorizing the Woo Payments now. After it has authorized, it will now give you to this page, whereby you'll have to continue like this. Enter here with your password. Then it will now give you the verifications here, sent to your mobile. So once the verification is sent to your mobile, you have to enter the verifications. Once you have entered the verifications, it will verify. Then now you'll have to enter the phone number. You now have to enter the phone number. Then you continue. It will still send you the verification to your phone. After that, it will now let you to select the country. You select the country here, then the individual or type. So you proceed with this. So this is how you can set up with the Stripe etc. So to go back to other setups, so we shall have to go back to the dashboard. So when we are at the dashboard, we shall go to WooCommerce, then Settings, then still we go to Payments. Under Payments, now this one, a Wool Enter is there. You can switch this on in case you need to use it for payments. Then you finalize this. So if you finalize the setup, then you can use that. You can also use direct bank transfer. Enable this. Then you finalize the setup. You set up here direct bank transfer, make payments here, instructions. Then here you put the account name, account number, bank name, code, IBN, SWIFT. Then you add the account. If you do not need to use that, you can come and ask them to pay by check. If that, pay by cash on delivery. Settle that, or you can say PayPal standards. You can use that. So these are the different ways you can receive payments in your through your WP using or payments from WooCommerce using the WP. Thank you for watching.